To celebrate the 51st National Day of the UAE, Do wanted to create a filter that would embody the spirit of the nation. In order to mark the auspicious day, we created a Karaoke-Style Instagram filter where users could sing the national anthem of the UAE. Here's how it worked. Users could first show their patriotism by selecting a face paint of the UAE flag in two different styles. Once the user tapped and held down on the record button, the lyrics for the anthem would appear on the screen. The words would be highlighted when they were needed to be sung, keeping in beat with the tune of the anthem. Try out the filter here.